Hello everyone. Today I am coming with the interview experience video. Recently my friend selected in Geo Infocom. This is one of the big MNC company. In this video we are going to share his interview experience, the full detailed his experience. That's why we can able to get what are the things required to for you to prepare. First of all, I would like to say thanks to Mr.
man.
Johns
Thank you, man.
and
Thank you.
coming here to share his experience. I would like to ask you, please tell me before that. Please tell me about your some short introductions about yourself.
Sure.
Yeah.
Basically, my name is John. Basically, I'm from my native is in Kerala.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, up to 12th, I did my schoolings in Kerala.
Okay.
Then later, I went to Pondicherry
Okay.
for doing my undergraduation.
Okay.
So then it's completed in the year of 2014. After that, I went for an internship for 1 year in a company in Chennai.
Oh, Chennai.
yeah. Later, again, I went for post graduation in Pondicherry.
Again Pondicherry.
Yeah, and it's completed in the year of 2018.
Okay.
After that, I went to the same company and joined as an embedded system engineer.
Okay.
Yeah, that is basically hardware protocol jobs. Then I am the person who is giving the input to the software people and all those things.
Okay.
And the how the software is working, how that working in automated way. That curiosity behind that made me to resign from there.
Yes, sure.
Yeah. Then I went to Bangalore to get somewhat more skills
to
in the
explore yourself, to learn some more languages.
Yeah, languages in Bangalore. Yeah,
Okay.
like that I went here. Then I went to an interview for
means in short, you completed your schooling in Kerala.
Yeah.
Then after that you came to college for the engineering we went to Pondicherry.
Yeah.
Then after that, after the engineering, we went for internship to the Chennai.
yeah.
It's really interesting. Then
Yeah.
again after the some internship, I mean you back to for the MTech in again Pondicherry only.
Yeah.
Oh, then after the MTech you decided to explore yourself to get a software job.
Yeah, exactly,
Then,
exactly.
Yeah, then
That's
again
why I
you back to the Bangalore. Oh,
Yeah.
that's very interesting journey, guys. Yeah, it's a very then what about your after the engineering? What are the things you did?
Yeah, I mean, you know, I'm from 2014.
Yes.
So I got placed in the year of 2020.
Okay.
So somewhat most precious situation I have to went
Yes,
for that.
definitely.
Because my friends got placed and some of my
Yeah.
friends got married and all those things happened for me. So,
Exactly.
Yeah. So from family side also, not family side, from the relatives and local
Yes,
side, I got so much of
definitely.
pressure. But depends on my interest. My family support me a lot, and because of, I'm intended to tell that I face a lot of pressure, but that is not a big deal and all. But to be frank, you people have to get some pressure, but don't. Just go for the pressure. Then anyhow, your hard work, it will give. It
Exactly.
will reach you to your destiny.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, means yeah, definitely the same thing will happen with the most of the people's cause after the engineering, everyone facing the issue because everyone grab want to get a job within a very less times cause they want cause after the engineering some friends are selected in different company. That's
Yeah.
why they are feeling why now I'm not selected. Then some relatives, some in home peoples also they are talking why you are not selecting. These pressures are normal, guys. So don't worry about these pressures. If you have a good talents like him, just keep motivated yourself, start working and explore yourself. Definitely you will get your dream jobs one day, definitely.
Yeah.
And don't demotivated yourself.
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. Exactly. What is the that is the means the formula for success.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like a river. River is always flowing. Even though if it will get any pressure, still it will not stop. It will not go back. It will keep on moving forward. Like that, you should in your career you always look at the forward only. Don't look at the backward. Whatever the things happen, those things just leave. And by taking the experience of that things, you should move forward. That's it. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. One of the important questions our viewer wants, what about your interview experience? What are the things happened in that?
Yeah. No, exactly. No, to be frank, I went for 2-3 interviews.
Okay.
But I have some failures in interviews.
Okay.
Then I went for Reliance Jio.
Oh.
There, fortunately, I got selected. Yeah, the thing is that nowadays it's all because of pandemic.
Yes,
the
exactly.
interviews are all going in online manner.
Yes.
Not in-person interviews. So the thing is that because of pandemic, I don't have any written test. It's
Okay.
the first round is like technical round, and the second round is HR round.
Okay.
That are the two rounds happened in Reliance Jio.
Okay.
So for my interview, they asked me to join in Microsoft Team.
Okay.
So in that platform only our interview is started.
Okay.
So initially, I mean, so what I think is it's just like an oral interview. But then only in between that, he asked me to share my screen to him, and he
Okay.
asked me to write some programs and all.
Okay.
All those things happened there. So in coming to the interview, a technical interview, basically they asked about the fundamentals. Whether
Sure.
to be frank, to be the viewers,
Yes,
I
yes.
want to tell you that they won't check any big problems or big programs. Nothing they will check. They will
Exactly,
check whether your basics are very proper or not.
Yes.
If you are very good in basics, then fundamentals, then definitely you can crack the interview.
Yeah, this is the one of the important things,
Yeah.
guys. Your fundamental, your base should be very clear.
Yeah.
To getting job, it is not a big deal. If you have a good fundamental, if you have
Yeah.
good base,
Yeah.
definitely you will get a job.
Yeah.
Then what are the means majorly which area they focused on your interview?
I mean, even not only for Reliance, I
Okay.
told right 2-3 interviews I already attended.
okay.
Mainly what they are focusing is mainly the C language.
Oh.
And the 80% of C language, then microcontroller they are checking.
Okay.
And I mean, if you are good in microcontroller as well as C language, that
Okay.
what I'm intended to tell you that if you are strong in microcontroller, your hardware part almost okay proper.
Okay.
Then C language is the basic way of the software programming.
yes.
In every language, even the C++ or like embedded C or every language, it's a modified form of C language.
Exactly,
So if you are
exactly.
very strong in C language, you can crack everything.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Guys, means basically in his interview they basically focused on the C programmings and along with the microcontroller.
Yeah.
So if you know he is telling if you know the microcontroller means you are good in hardware part.
Yeah, hardware part also, the company is taking their hardware part in microcontroller.
Yes, exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Then the basics is definitely C will be there.
Yeah.
If you for the embedded job, definitely they will ask a C. Then what about the HR rounds? What they majorly they focus
No, even
on?
in technical round, I mean, they asked me about some programs also.
Okay.
So programs, man, but their intention is not to whether the program is exactly right. I mean, they are not checking the syntactical errors and all.
Okay.
What they are checking is we are writing the codes in Notepad, not in any compiler or any other platforms.
Exactly.
So just in Notepad, we are writing the programs, and they are checking. I mean, what they are checking is they are questioning inside that. I mean, whether that is right or not. Like that, it's going on.
Okay. Mr. John, please talk about something more about your HR interview. What are the things happened?
Yeah, HR, I mean, the technical round only it takes 1.5 hours.
Okay.
HR round hardly it takes 20 minutes.
Okay.
Mainly what they asked about my educational details and my family details.
Okay.
There they asked about like, like in pressure situation what you will do.
Exactly.
Then after 5 years what your intention to go.
Okay.
And after 10 years what you are expecting
Yes,
yourself to be in the company. Then why we have to hire your things.
Yes.
No, these are the things, questions, I mean like traditional questions.
Exactly.
I mean,
And,
if you are prepared well in that, you can. That is not a big
sure.
deal. Yeah.
Means guys, in his HR interview, there is a majorly focused on the number of questions. Those are already available. Those
Yeah.
questions are repeatedly
Yeah,
they're asking.
yeah.
That's why you should be prepared after your technical round. You should have good knowledge about what to answer, what not to answer about the HR interviews.
Yeah.
Because these things are
Yeah,
regular
the
questions.
technical round only, I think somewhat. I mean, if you are cracking the technical round, HR round. I mean, if you are prepared somewhat okay, then you can crack that.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Means if you are they majorly focus on your technical skill.
Yeah,
If
sure,
you are
sure,
good in
definitely.
technical skill, there is no doubt. Then you should be also somewhat the good in also HR round also.
Yeah.
Exactly. Then what about your suggestions to our viewers? What are the things they should prepare? What not to do? What
Okay.
to do, when to start these things?
I mean, what I am telling is, don't worry about your year of passing and all, but
Okay.
be sure that I have some year of gaps.
Okay.
But still, they are their intention is whether after his professional course, whether he is sitting ideally or not. But I have some experience as an internship, and I went for a gate coaching, so
Okay.
that's okay for them.
Okay.
If you are just sitting ideally for 1 year, that's a big black mark for them.
Exactly.
Yeah. Then one more suggestion, what I have to give you that. Prepare hard.
Yes.
I mean, you prepare basic. I mean, the fundamentals you prepare hard.
Yes,
They
exactly.
don't. I mean, like mainly the interviews they are focusing mainly on the fundamentals only.
Okay.
That be strong with that. Then
Yes.
programming language, C language. If you know the C language, other languages you can understand other language.
Okay. Thank you, John,
Yeah,
coming here to sharing the experience with viewers. I hope, guys, you will get the proper idea
Yeah,
what to
thank you
do.
guys, thank you
Bye bye.
guys. Yeah.
You.